Okay. And today your task is ANOVA. So today I will give you tasks and you will perform. Type task ANOVA. Now, when you want to perform any task in R, you need, in Python, you need to ask 4 questions from ChatGPT. Question number 1, what is ANOVA? Second question, why do we perform ANOVA? Types of ANOVA. And sample data type. Sorry, third question is type of ANOVA. Uh, Types of ANOVA. Third question, please. Second question is, why do we perform ANOVA? Why do we perform ANOVA? Sample data table for each type of ANOVA. Sample data table for each type of ANOVA. And you can also add last question, generate Excel file for sample data table. Okay. First copy 3 questions, not all, just 3 questions. Copy, open ChatGPT and send message. Please send this message. So first is the definition of ANOVA. ANOVA stands for analysis of variance. It is a statistical method used to compare the mean of 3 or more groups to find out if at least one group mean is significantly different from the other. So instead of comparing group two at a time, like as in t-test, sorry, today our task will be t-test instead of ANOVA because we have done descriptive statistics in last class. Yes, so please change your question instead of ANOVA, type t-test. T-test, yes. Also change third question. And paste in ChatGPT. Yes. So here is the definition of t-test. T-test is a statistical test used to compare the mean of two groups. If you have only two groups in your data set and you want to compare, for example, one is control and one is treated, and you want to compare both results, you can apply t-test. But if you have more than two groups, then you need to move ANOVA. So a t-test is a statistical test used to compare the means of only two groups. One or only two groups, not more than two groups, if they are significantly different from each other. For example, testing if female and male students have different average test score. So we have two groups, male group and female group. And we want to compare both, you can apply ANOVA, sorry, t-test. If you have more than two, then you need to apply ANOVA for same analysis. So next is, why do we perform t-test? Compare the group, check your hypothesis. Your hypothesis true or false. If p-value is less than 0.5, your hypothesis is okay. But if greater than 0.5, then your hypothesis is rejected. Next, what are types of t-test? So there are three types of t-test. Independent, two sample t-test, paired sample t-test, and one sample t-test. In one sample, you have only one group. You have only one group. And for example, there is a group A. And you want to compare group A with already published values. For example, human age. And you want to compare a person age with already published or average age of human, for example, 60. And you want to compare its age with 60 already available in articles or Google or other sources. So you can apply one sample t-test. If you have data set like pre and post, before and after, for example, you are measuring blood pressure before treatment, BT before treatment, and after treatment, AT. And you have data set for this before and after. Then you need to apply paired sample t-test. And if you have two groups, for example, A group and B group, and you want to compare both of them, then you can apply independent two sample t-test. So here is purpose and here is its examples. Scroll down. Yes. No, write a message. Thanks. No, I need sample data table. Need sample data table. For English linguistic, you can also write your field of study like plant science, chemistry, and any other. For English linguistic, for each type of t-test. So we write next step. Thanks. No, I need. No, I need sample data table in Excel sheet. Please write a message. Thanks. No, I need sample data table in Excel sheet. Download this file. Open this file and save this file in working direct folder. You have 3 sheets in this file. One sample t-test and paired sample t-test. When you want to do work on one sample t-test, you need to import one sample t-test sheet. When you want to do independent t-test, import independent t-test sheet and same paired t-test. Okay. Now again, come to Python. First import this file. Have you pasted this file in working directory? Kindly confirm. Have you saved this file in your working directory? Click on Home tab. Home. I think it's not in working directory. Google Chrome, please. In Google Chrome, you have 2 tabs. One is for Python and other is for, I think, in not in Edge, Microsoft Edge. Please check. Where are your? No, no. Please, where is your Python file on browser? Please show me your Python file. Please show me your Python file on which you have typed. Please show Python file. No, please, not working directory. Madam, please kindly show me your Python. Yes. Yes, no, you have a file English linguistic t-test data.xls. Close this one. Close this file. Now come to Python. Now your file name is, you can rename your file because it's a big file name. If you have a big file name, there is a chance for error or spelling mistake or rename this file. Just give t-test. T-test. Don't remove extension. And press Control C. No, no, no. You have removed XLX. Please press Control Z. No, you need to again copy and paste your file here. We have changed file format. Just change file name, not file format. Again copy and paste your file in this folder. No, madam, it will not work. You have removed your file extension as like you can check in ficus.xlx. Again, download this file from download. Go in folder, press copy, and paste in working directory folder. Paste here. Please paste in working directory and click on rename. Don't remove XLSX. Selected region you can remove. Yes, remove. Okay. Also remove underscore data. Don't remove XLX. Yes, no, it will. Yes, it's okay. Now you want to import this file in Python. So copy script or type here. No, 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 no. Check your previous script how you have import your Ficus file. First you need to do import panda as pd. Pd, yes. No, type pd dot read underscore excel bracket inverted comma and your file name. Please check file extension and run this line. Okay. Now if you want to import second sheet, for example, you want to import next sheet, then you need to edit this script. Okay, no, first give the name to this file. It's a one sample t-test. Okay, come to line number 5, pd.readexcel, pd dot please write script and give its name or apply coding. Give name to the script. Yes, equal sign. Before equal sign, type one sample. one. Okay, run this line. Yes. No, print its info. Please run code for print info. No, I think you have forgot. Scroll up and check your last code for ficus. You have already run this code for ficus. Scroll up, scroll up, scroll up. You have not run any. Okay. Come to last line. Yes, type print bracket your file name. No, your file name is one sample. Hmm. Dot info bracket open, close and close. Close. Again close bracket because you have two opening bracket. You need also two closing bracket. Okay, run this time. Yes. No, copy print and info and combine and provide to ChatGPT. Also, please also provide your print info script here because without file name, ChatGPT will not give you a accurate script. This point is very important. Otherwise, ChatGPT will give you a general script and give a message at the start. I want to perform. I want to perform one sample t-test in R and also want to visualize. You can also specify plot name if you have in your mind. Otherwise, just write a message. Want to visualize. Okay, copy. Step by step. First, one step. Paste here and run. No, second step. Next. Yes, here is the publication ready plot for one sample t-test. Okay, no, you want to perform independent two sample t-tests or paired sample t-tests. Please come to Python. Scroll up and copy above code. Yes, stop here. Copy and come to last line. No type comma after XLSX. After inverted comma. Sheet underscore name underscore name underscore not dash equal here you need to define sheet name. Open your Excel file. Here is your sheet name. You can copy, right click and rename. Right click and rename or type same spelling in right click. It will show you. First click on enable editing. On here is the yellow box. Click on enable editing. Now right click. It will give you option rename. Okay, if not rename option available, you can type manually within inverted comma. I is capital. And also change the name one sample to two sample or any other name which we want to give two sample. Okay. Run this line. Yes, it's working. Now take info and repeat same process. Provide to ChatGPT and write a message. I want to perform two sample independent t-tests. Okay. Now please all participant do practice and share your results within group and also import third file and do same practice. Okay. Now please do and share in group. Now if you have any question you can ask. Otherwise I want to close screen. You can do practice. Okay, thank you. Now please do practice and okay. Miss Salma name, please open your mic.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर, मेरा
वालेकुम
क्वेश्चन
सलाम।
है कि ये जो मैंने कल तो मेरी क्लास रह गई थी, उससे पिछली वाली जो क्लास थी उसमें जो हमने डायग्राम ड्रॉ की है वो मुझसे ना कॉपी नहीं हो रही, तो मैंने बड़ी कोशिश की है, तो एट द एंड फिर मैंने
आप उसको ना,
स्क्रीनशॉट लेके वो मैं
नहीं नहीं,
करती रही हूँ, तो
आप
मुझे
स्क्रीन
बता
शॉट
दें।
ना लें आप ना। जब आपके पास स्क्रिप्ट जनरेट होता है ना, मसलन ये भी आपके पास स्क्रिप्ट जनरेट हुआ है, वन सैम्पल टी टेस्ट का, उसका प्लॉट भी बन गया।
जी।
अब आप
जी
चैट
सर।
जीपीटी कोई मैसेज टाइप करें कि नो आई वांट टू सेव दिस प्लॉट इन वर्किंग डायरेक्टरी।
अच्छा।
वो
ठीक है।
आपको डायरेक्टली, जब आप कोड रन करेंगे ना, एक तो आपको प्रीव्यू शो होगा, दूसरा वो आपका प्लॉट आपकी वर्किंग डायरेक्टरी में सेव हो जाएगा।
ठीक है सर। ठीक है।
वहां से आप उसको यूज़
थैंक
कर
यू।
सकते हैं। ओके।
थैंक यू। थैंक यू सर।
ओके, थैंक यू। ओके, अल्लाह हाफिज़।